Welcome back to the Hungarian Garden. I'm Brad, and today we're delving into the captivating world of Agave Americana, also known as the century plant. Now, let's explore the best practices for caring for this remarkable plant and making it a highlight in your garden. Agave Americana, classified by the eminent botanist Carl Linnaeus in 1753, is native to Mexico and the southern United States. This plant is renowned for its impressive rosette of blue-green leaves and its unique life cycle. It also comes in a variegated form, and it only blooms once, typically after 10 to 30 years, producing a towering inflorescence that can reach up to 20 feet. Following this magnificent display, the parent plant dies, leaving behind offsets or pups to propagate the next generation. Let's talk about plant care. Caring for Agave Americana is straightforward and rewarding. This resilient succulent survives with minimal attention, making it suitable for both novice and experienced gardeners. It requires full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to flourish. It's hardy in USDA zones 8 to 11 and well suited for warmer climates. Plant it in a well-draining soil such as sandy or gravelly mixtures to replicate the natural habitat. In regions with colder winters, consider growing it in a container that can be brought indoors during the colder months. Watering Agave Americana requires a little bit of precision. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During the growing season, water the plant every 2 weeks. In winter, when the plant is dormant, significantly reduce the watering. Pests and diseases. This plant is generally pest resistant, but can occasionally attract agave snout weevils and mealybugs. Regular inspection and prompt treatment of any infestations are crucial. Ensuring proper drainage is vital to prevent root rot, a common issue if the plant is overwatered. Warnings. Before introducing Agave Americana into your garden, be mindful of its sharp spines and leaf edges, which can cause injury. It's advisable to plant it away from walkways and areas frequented by children or pets. When handling the plant, wear gloves and long sleeves for protection. Remember to consult local gardening resources or experts for specific care instructions tailored to your region. And now for a fun fact. Carl Linnaeus, the father of modern taxonomy, documented Agave Americana in 1753 in his seminal work, Species Plantarium. His classification system brought this extraordinary plant to the attention of botanists worldwide, highlighting its unique characteristics and impressive life cycle. Thank you for joining me today on the Hungarian Garden. I hope you found this guide on Agave Americana both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert gardening tips. And until next time, viszont látásra!